Good day, my waterlemon. So today we have this. It is the Western Digital, also for WD, 4 TB Elements portable external hard drive. It has USB 3.0 round, and it is black in color. You can see. So it costs £74.99. So the package does this shield, 2 years ANS. I don't know what that says. I mean what that means. Here it says with WD Elements, basic portable storage and stockage supplement. And there's this thing. It's the thing that we're gonna unbox. That is the Western Digital the 4 TB Element portable external hard drive. Okay, so here is 4 TB2. Sorry, let's just flip it. Here is just some information. We can skip over here, and there's multiple languages we can see explaining what's in here. So here is a girl, a father, a woman. Wow, fascinating. Okay, now let's just open the box. We did it! Yay! Okay, now I'm just gonna... Come on, get up. Yay. As you can see, we've had some pets. I call them Tapey number 1 and Tapey number 2. And I'm just... Wow, it's a thing! It's actually the storage. The portable storage. Oh, okay, looks like it feels very smooth with this plastic on. So, we have the portable external hard drive itself, this. A USB cable and a user manual. And a plastic thing. So let's just... So I'm gonna open this. So you see here it says a tick sign. But on top of that is... I'm just gonna name it Timmy. That's the hard drive. This is the hard drive. So Timmy is... the USB is plugging into Timmy. That sounds weird. Like hugging Timmy, and then you plug it inside your computer, and this is another hard drive. So that's how, yeah. So now let's open it. Okay, I've opened. Okay, it's a map. Whoopsies. Okay, so we've got everything, and it just says information. Okay, so now let's move on to Timmy. Let's feel Timmy. Timmy is very smooth. Timmy is the hard drive, in case you're wondering again. So at the back there's these rubber thingies. I forgot. It has a rubber legs, so that it doesn't like slip and slide everywhere. And you break it. So here is just all the logos and stuff and some information and yeah. So here is a plug, you can see, and then here is just some words. So the form factor is 2.5 and the dimensions are 11.18 cm times 8.13 cm, and it is times 2.1 cm. The weight is 236 grams. It feels kind of light for me. So the hard drive capacity is 4 terabytes. It kind of sounds like a pterodactyl biting something, like cheese. So it has one USB port and supports USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. So the rotational speed is 5,400 RPM. Okay, so we have a picture of this computer, okay? We get this, plug it into the computer, and then it hugs Timmy. Yay, we got some storage. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.